is how we roll. And you know we do it big on that south and on that north. Yeah, you thought we was a joke, man. What the fuck you thought? You the lame ass nigga, cause I see you window watching. You can't fuck with me, nigga, cause yeah, I keep it real. Call me Slim, I'm that deal. Yeah, I stay up on that south, but yeah, I fuck around that north, cause that's what them niggas bout. Yeah, I'm riding for my niggas, I don't give a fuck about shit. You can claim the fucking Beasley, you can claim the fucking Chris. I don't give a fuck, nigga, cause it's all about that bread. You ain't talking about shit, you putting money on my head. Fuck you, nigga, you ain't talking about shit, cause I had the chance to have your bitch suck my fucking dick, and I don't want her, cause I ain't really on her, and she's always talking shit, but she don't really wanna see me come out in this bitch. I'm hitting all the shit, I'm busting walls, I'm knocking jaws down like we fighting in this bitch. What you snitching, I don't like you, so stay the fuck around me. Yeah, you know I was getting it. Yeah, I'm fucking stacking, but you always coming getting it. Always coming trapping, cause you know I stay hitting it. Yeah, I get it for you, what you talking about? Shit, you ain't talking about nothing, cause my niggas got that shit up on the fucking couch, nigga, and we let it fucking hit you in your fucking mouth, nigga. You talking all that shit, but you ain't about that shit, nigga.